In today's class, we will discuss the topic worksheet. A worksheet is a page in electronic spreadsheet software, e.g., Excel, used to store, manipulate, and display data. It's a collection of cells forming a grid. Each Excel workbook defaults to 3 worksheets. Cells in a grid pattern use rows and columns. In Excel 2013, there are 1,048,576 rows and 16,384 columns per worksheet. Each file starts with 1 worksheet, and sheets are limited by computer memory. In older Excel versions, it was 3. For Google Spreadsheets, 256 columns per sheet, 400,000 cells across all worksheets and a file. The default new file has 1 worksheet, with a maximum of 200 sheets per file. Commencing a workbook file. Workbooks, essential in Excel, are files for organizing data. Start a workbook anytime you wish to create a new file. Follow these steps. 1. Open Excel. 2. Click on File in the top menu. 3. Select New to create a fresh workbook. 4. Choose a template or a blank workbook. 5. Begin entering your data. An active worksheet is the currently open one. In the picture, active tabs, like Sheet 1, have a white background, distinguishing them from others like Sheet 2 or Sheet 3. Common spreadsheet programs. Microsoft Excel dominates the spreadsheet landscape, but alternatives cater to various needs. Google Docs, online collaboration. iWorkNumbers, Apple Office Suite. Lotus 123. OpenOffice Calc. Lotus Symphony Spreadsheets. Microsoft Excel. VisiCalc. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.